What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best digital pianos of 2022, options for every level and budget. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
The Yamaha Arius YDP 103 is a great instrument to introduce you to the joy of playing the piano. Its rich, authentic sound and responsive feel combine the heritage of a Yamaha acoustic piano with the latest digital technology. The sound you will hear is a Yamaha grand piano, sampled in stereo for a dynamic, expressive tonal quality. The graded hammer standard keyboard simulates the feel of an acoustic piano, with the precisely weighted action becoming lighter at the higher end of the keyboard. Touch response can be easily adjusted to suit the player. Arius pianos feature 3 pedals: soft, sostenuto and damper with half pedal function. Arius pianos never need tuning and can be played with headphones. The YDP 103 also has a range of features which enhance the playing experience. Digital reverb simulates the ambience of different performance locations in your own home. In addition to grand piano, a selection of other voices are available. Voices can even be combined, such as piano and strings. The YDP 103 features a function button, which is used together with the piano keys to access all the features of the instrument. You can connect the YDP 103 via USB to a computer or to an iPad, iPhone or iPod Touch, where a variety of apps are available, including Digital Piano Controller, which gives you easy access to the YDP 103's various features. You can select voices, control the metronome, reverb, and many other functions. The app will also store your favourite settings and recordings. You can even connect wirelessly with the UD-BT01 Bluetooth adapter. Start your musical journey with the Arius YDP 103 digital piano from Yamaha.
Hi, this is Mike Martin, General Manager of Marketing for Casio's Music Instrument Division, and today I'm here to show you the PX870 digital piano. Let's take a look. Introducing the Privia PX870, the premier instrument in Casio's Privia line of digital pianos. Combining incredibly authentic piano sound and feel with an elegant cabinet that complements any decor, the PX870 delivers a superior piano experience. The PX870 features Casio's Tri-Sensor 2 scaled hammer action keyboard. It's expressive and comfortable to play with simulated ebony and ivory textures and accurate weighting across the entire keyboard. 19 instrument tones are provided, including a new 4-layer stereo grand piano, which comes alive with realistic damper resonance. Let's listen to a few examples. The PX870 also allows you to split the keyboard into 2 equal pitch ranges, perfect for duets and piano lessons. The PX870 features Casio's Concert Play, allowing you to practice or perform along with a symphony orchestra. To bring this experience to life, the PX870 features a newly designed 40-watt stereo sound projection system. Of course, for quiet practice, 2 headphones can be used at any time. And to capture that moment of inspiration, the PX870 features USB audio recording, enabling you to easily share your music with your friends and family. With features such as 256 notes of polyphony, a built-in metronome, 3 pedals, and a variety of colors and finishes, the PX870 is the perfect addition to any home. For more information on the PX870 or any of Casio's other musical instruments, please visit CasioMusicGear.com. I'm Mike Martin. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.